Hello everyone. Today I will explain what is narrative text. Before continue to the material, let me introduce myself. My name is Cevi Aprilia and enjoy for watching. What is narrative text? Narrative text is a kind of text to retell the imaginative or factual story that past tense. The purpose of narrative text is to entertain the readers through the amusing story. Characteristic of narrative text. First, narrative text tells story from the past. Second, using nouns or nouns to replace the words animals, people, objects in the story. For example, the dwarf's carriage, and so on. Third, usually these are stories that many people already know and have developed in society. Examples include The Rabbit and the Turtle, Malin Kundang, and so on. Fourth, narrative text story elements consist of time setting, place, story theme, characters, atmosphere, conflict, and resolution. Fifth, arrange in a simple sequel or several complex sequel. Genre of narrative text. Myth, stories or myths that are considered factual, actually happened. Fable, stories that tell about animal. Legend, folktales that tell the origins of a place. Folktale, stories told from generation to generation so that they become a community tradition. Fairy tales, children's stories that contain the element of magic for the characters and have a moral message. Love story, a love story whose content is in the form of sales to obtain the love of the main character. Generic structure of narrative text. First, orientation. Stories told from generation to generation so that they become a community tradition. Complication. Problems began to emerge and get to the heart of the problem. Complications are divided into three parts, namely rising action, climax, and falling action. Resolution. This section contains the completion or end of a narrative text story. A story can close with a happy ending, a sad ending, or a cliffhanger. And last, reorientation. The final condition of a story which includes character, place, and time. This section is optional. Language feature of narrative text. First, using simple past tense. Narrative text usually use simple past tense because it tells an event or story that has happened. That way, readers can understand the sequence of events clearly and help them to get lost in the story. And second, using adverb of time. Adverbs of time are words that provide information regarding when an event occurs, how long and how often the event occurs. In narrative text, adverbs of time help clarify the contents of the sequence of events in the story. This allows readers to more easily follow the storyline and feel drawn into the story they are reading. Third, using adjective. Adjectives are words used to describe nouns and pronouns, which can be people, place, animals, objects, colors, smells, or other abstract concepts. We can also call adjective. Fourth, using noun phrase. Noun phrases are words that function as nouns. It can be a place, person, living creature, such as like adjective. Noun phrases are used to provide a more detailed description of a narrative text. And thanks for watching to this material and see you